Maddie's trying pears for the first time, and he likes it so much that he's crying when I take the spoon away. This is ridiculous. He already ate 8 ounces of food. You love the pear, right? Okay. Maddie. I have a big boy here. He loves to eat, this boy. I can't put it in his mouth fast enough. Okay. Is that good? Mmm. 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 See, he's in the high chair like a big boy. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy.